So if you have got any queries, I'll do that also. Can you tell the limit of business emails we can send email, and if limit is low, how to increase it? अगर आप मेरे से Gmail का पूछ रहे हो तो Gmail का रोज का 300-400 emails. You can send up to 300-400 emails using Gmail on a daily basis. SendGrid is an autoresponder. Like Aweber is an autoresponder. Similarly, SendGrid is also an autoresponder. Okay, right. Tell me more. एक चीज मैं आपको और बता रहा हूँ. वो ये कि हमको फेसबुक वालों ने भी एक डेडिकेटेड मैनेजर दे दिया. आपको पता है, फॉर आवर फेसबुक पेज, इवन आई वाज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट. ग्रेजुअली सारी चीजें होती हैं. फेसबुक हैज गिवन अस अ डेडिकेटेड फेसबुक मैनेजर. आई कैन गेट ऑन अ कॉल विद हर. शी गाइड्स मी, आप ये वाली सारी चीजें करो, ये वाली सारी चीजें करो, एंड अपने आप ही आपके पास रिजल्ट्स आएंगे. अमेजिंग, isn't it? What to do if I'm running a gym in a town and I have people who don't usually use email such? No problem. आप जीमेल मार्केटिंग, आप ईमेल मार्केटिंग मत करो ना वहां पे उन लोगों के लिए. आप एड चला के करो, आप वीडियोस बना के करो, जो मैंने आपको बाकी तरीके बताए आप उसके थ्रू करो. सी, आई एम गिविंग यू द कंप्लीट बुफे. यू गॉट टू चूज कि मेरे काम के लिए क्या स्पेसिफिकली काम करेगा. फॉर माई वर्क, व्हाट इज स्पेसिफिकली गोइंग, व्हाट इज स्पेसिफिकली वर्किंग. गॉट दैट राइट? सर अभी ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर यूज करना ठीक होगा? ऑफ कोर्स, अगर आपको लगता है आपके काम के लिए जरूरी है, करिए. Why shouldn't time be mentioned in the landing page? Because some people might not opt in. Some people might not register for your training. Got that? That's the reason. So please teach about Shopify dropshipping. बैसाखी हम Facebook ads cover करेंगे, तो आपको Facebook ads समझ में आ जाएंगे. Alright? तो वो फिर आप Shopify के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. How much money should I ask for brands? For what service? For what service? मजा आ गया. Thank you so much, Sagar. Sir, I have learned Facebook marketing few months back, but people whom I have approached, either they have already burned their fingers or they are unable to visualize my digital. Yeah, go to hundreds of clients, go to 1000 clients. देखो, मैं आप लोगों को एक चीज बहुत क्लियर कट बता देना चाहता हूँ. अगर आपको 3-4 क्लाइंट्स ने मना कर दिया ना, या 50 क्लाइंट्स ने भी मना कर दिया ना, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप क्लाइंट्स पे जाना रोक दोगे. That does not mean that you are not going to reach out to clients. First of all, please understand, it is your dream to become successful. It's not the dream of the client. The second thing is, you approach the client. The client did not tell you to approach me. The clients did not tell you to approach them. So if they say no, they are well within their rights to say no. Do you understand that? Nobody owes you anything at all. So that's important. Reach out to more clients, man. Pranav, before enrolling to my program, I'm sure you would have gone to some other coach also. Somewhere, something you would have done wherein you would not have got desired results. You are still here and now you are satisfied, right? So if you are satisfied with your services, it does not matter how many people say no to you. It just does not matter. If you are satisfied. Today, one of my team members was saying that, sir, some will block me. They don't take my calls. I'm like, how does that matter? Give the contact number to somebody else. If you are convinced with your product, if you are convinced with your service, it does not matter whether the other person is convinced or not, people. It hardly matters. Got that? Good. So can you throw some light on the email autoresponder constant contact? So Sudhati, what I mean to say by that is that you need to be regularly in touch with people and your autoresponder can do that for you. आपको Facebook से भी dedicated manager मिल सकता है. मुझे भी नहीं पता था. Anita, you can ask me here or you can ask me queries pertaining to copywriting in our next live training. आप अगली live training में पूछ लीजिएगा. ठीक है ना? यार मेरे को भी आता है demotivation, पर मुझे ये पता है कि demotivation आने के बाद कोई मतलब नहीं बनता, क्योंकि मेरे को दोबारा से मोटिवेट होके काम तो करना ही है, एफर्ट्स तो डालना ही है, तो डीमोटिवेट होके टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करें. और अगर आप डीमोटिवेटेड हो जाते हो, मेरा कंटेंट देख लो, मेरे वीडियोस देख लो यार. और मैं आपको क्या बोल सकता हूँ, एक जो बहुत बड़ी सच्चाई है वो ये कि डीमोटिवेट होने के बाद इधर उधर चले गए, भाई माइंड खराब हो गया यार, क्या करूं यार, ये वो, वापस आके काम तो करना ही है ना दोबारा, या नहीं करना है. तो जब करना ही है तो डीमोटिवेट होके अलग क्यों बैठा. Why should we sit somewhere being demotivated? You got to come back, man. So I've seen a video of G Suite in which they told there's a limit to send emails. So of course there would be a limit. Now I told you, is GrooveFunnels giving email marketing services feasible option? Rasika, I'm really sorry. I'm not aware about GrooveFunnels. I've not seen them. Right. Can you tell how to get business emails? You used to send emails to us via autoresponder. So business emails you used to get via autoresponder. Once you have taken an domain name, you will get them accordingly. You will get the business email along with that. I am checking it for you. So Rasika Paramveer says that you can use Aweber for free. It is better than GrooveFunnel. So he is saying that. Okay, I don't know it. How much do we invest on Facebook? My budget is a lot. We run advertisements worth about 10, 12 lakhs also on Facebook every month. And Rasika, our own product is coming. So you don't need to worry about it. Okay. Because see, something is there that I want to tell you something right now. I'm going to tell you something right now. Listen. अगर कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर है, listen to me very carefully, अगर कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर है जो आपको लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस दे रहा है at a very low pricing, there's a very strong probability that वो लंबे समय तक नहीं टिकेगा. It's a reason. There's a reason behind it. बहुत सारी कॉस्ट होती हैं, सर्वर कॉस्ट होती हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं करने के लिए. तो it's not possible that they can do it. It's not feasible. You get that? It is not feasible at all. That's the thing. If I'm doing email marketing or any form of marketing, that's a new company or don't have any credible name. Should I still work for my client? If you don't believe in their product, why will you do it? Don't work just for the sake of money. It's not going to be long lasting. You will be looking for alternative options. Got that? Somebody is saying GrooveFunnel is doing the same thing. Lifetime there, free bhi there. You are 100% right. It is not feasible, people. It's not feasible. Understand that. This is what I want to guide all of you with. Okay. Can you please repeat in English? I told you that if there is a software that gives it to you at a lifetime access at a very less pricing, there's 99% probability that that company will not exist 6 months from now, 1 year from now. And the reason why that's going to happen is because there's a lot of investment. There's a lot of investment that is required over there. That is their lead magnet of GrooveFunnels. Maybe there is. See, I won't comment on them. I'm going to tell you the reality. You get that? That's what is important. So I want to tell you the exact thing so that you don't fall for such things. Any software that says to you that you will get it for a life, they might not be able to sustain. And when I say might, I say it for 99% companies. It's not possible, no? You got to pay for the server cost, you got to maintain the updates and everything. Your buyer base increases. You need a regular inflow of money. You need to pay for the server on a monthly basis. That's what is the thing. Somebody saying I experienced it. There was an offer in 500, 1000 software's lifetime access. It's not possible. It's not feasible. Why do you get Facebook for free? Because Facebook runs ads. People run ads on Facebook, right? No, Rasika, I'm happy you asked me that question. And I saw it. That is why I answered it, right? So when people say, how is Facebook free? How is Instagram free? Because people run ads and that is how Facebook earns money. You get that? So they don't have any other revenue generating thing. You said you don't want to work for the people you don't believe, but still, if that was my first client, you started with them, right? But now if you know that their product is not worth it, you need to look for alternative options. How do you put your photos on email without showing a file attached to it? Arpit, there's an option in the email autoresponder. That is how you can do it. ग्रामरली के अलावा भी कोई टूल्स बताइए. कार्तिक, आप एक बार ऑनलाइन चेक करिए और आप उसमें देखो ऐसा कौन सा टूल है. उसके रिव्यूज पक्का देख लेना डाउनलोड करने से पहले. रिव्यूज अच्छे होंगे, रिव्यूज हजारों में होंगे, तभी लीजिएगा जब आपको हजारों में रिव्यूज दिख रहे होंगे. समझ में आया? पीपल वन थिंग इज दैट ईमेल मार्केटिंग हमको आता है अच्छे से, अब इंप्लीमेंट करिए. नाउ गेट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल. नाउ गेट दिस डन. Get it done, people. Come on. Create those chances. Create those opportunities for you. You get it done. You get it in front of people. You get all those opportunities for you. How much money should I ask for for email marketing? That depends upon the client that you are reaching out to. If it is a hotel and if it is based out of India, you can even ask them for $1,000. Understand? No. See, It's a wrong question. How much money should I ask to a brand for email marketing? How much money can you earn for them? How much will your services benefit them? That is how you ask money. Got that? If you're going to do email marketing for a departmental store whose monthly revenue is 1 lakh rupees or maybe 5 lakh rupees, out of 5 lakh rupees, their profit percentage is just 8%. They are only making 40,000 rupees per month. And out of that 40,000, they are also paying their person who's taking out the stuff, giving it to people and all those things. You get that point. They will not be able to give you the money. Your efforts remain the same. If you reach out to a hotel whose fees for one night, tariff for one night is $1,000, and they have got 50 rooms, 100 rooms, 200 rooms, setting up the email, same amount of time, making them understand, same amount of time, revenue generation, so much more. That is how you make money. That is why I'm saying to you, don't ask the wrong questions. You need to ask the right questions. What are good niches that need copywriting, email marketing? There are multiple businesses. Gyms are there, saloons are there, a saloon chain is there. Reach out to them. Big malls are there. Trainers are there. Big companies are there. That's what you got to do. समझ में आया? Think about it. It is better to have a landing page or a website. Of course, it's the same thing, Aishwarya. A landing page is otherwise a part of a website only, no? But a landing page can give you multiple options without doing coding, without doing any coding at all. That's why the landing page helps. But domain name you will still have to have so that that landing page gets inserted into your website. Do you say, of course you need to go for a client who has the potential to pay more? काम करना ही है, एक क्लाइंट से बात करनी है, एक क्लाइंट को सारी चीजें समझानी ही है. तो क्यों ना ऐसे क्लाइंट को समझाएं जो मेरे को हर महीने का 2 लाख रुपए दे सकता है, रादर देन उसको समझाने का जो हर महीने 2,500 रुपए देगा और चिक चिक भी करेगा. I should rather work and put in efforts on somebody who's going to pay me 2 lakh rupees per month. Right? I would like to work with a client who would be more than happy to pay me 2 lakh rupees per month, who has the potential to pay 2 lakh rupees per month, rather than working with a client who will give me 2,500 rupees per month. And even then he would be like, even though I'm investing money, but results are not coming and things like that. They are going to crib, they are going to complain. Clients are going to crib, clients are going to complain. Why not take the complaints of a person who's paying you 25 lakh rupees per year, rather than taking the complaints of somebody who gives you 30,000 rupees per year? Does that make sense, everybody? Are there people who exist on this planet who can pay you 25 lakh rupees? Let me ask you this, yes or no, people? Do we have clients who can pay us 25 lakh rupees? Yes or no? Then why not work with them? Is email marketing required for e-commerce company? Of course. Ame, don't you get emails from Amazon? Don't you get emails from Flipkart? You do, right? Similarly, the e-commerce companies also need it. Think about it. And serve them. Work with clients, man, who are going to pay you more money. Is email marketing required for a dentist? Of course. But if you want to work with a dentist, work with a dentist outside India. They will understand your concept and they'll be willing to pay you more money. Even if you ask them for $500 per month. Understand, in Indian currency, $500 is about how much? 38,000 rupees, right? But in their currency, $500 is like nothing. It's like nothing. Use it to your advantage that you're born in India. What are some good ways to reach out to clients? Every way works. Jigyashu, emails, messages, calls, text messages, comments on social media. Everything works, mate. Just you got to work. You work, everything works. You don't work, nothing works. You get demotivated, nothing works. You work continuously, you automatically work. You automatically get results. Any suggestions for email marketing, e-commerce company for email marketing? Type it on Google, man. Look at the number of companies that are into e-commerce. Look at what is missing on their website. Reach out to them, help them. Monetize it for your own self. You earn money by solving a problem. Ask people. Don't ask for 2,000 rupees per month. Ask for 2 lakh rupees per month. It is even easier, right? It is even easier. All right. So what takes more time to write? Okay, 2 lakhs, 2,000. What took me more time to write, people? 2 lakhs or 2,000? I wrote 2 lakhs earlier than 2,000, right? Ask for 2 lakhs, man. Save your time. Save your time. I can't give you a simplified example than this. Change your ask. If you are asking for 2 lakh rupees, you will find those clients. If you are asking for 2,000 rupees, you will find those clients. Amazing transition of mind. तभी तो आपके mentor है ना, madam. You got to do it. You got to do it, people. Get those results for you, man. Choose this. Help people. Help people. Yes, you can charge people for social media pages management also. Replying to the comments also. It's a fact. Brand building happens because of the clients. Again, you are asking me the wrong question. How much? Come on. It depends on the client you are reaching out to. If you are reaching out to an influencer whose monthly income is 25,000 rupees, how much will he give you to answer comments? 3,000 rupees, mate. If you reach out to a client whose monthly revenue is more than 2 crores, they will give you even 1 lakh, even 2 lakh rupees just for answering comments. Change your ask. When you change your ask, things work for you. But initially, when we start, if we wouldn't get results, if the company rejects you, should we start working for them free? Of course you can. I would always advise you work for free or work at such a pricing that you just need 1 or 2 clients, nothing in the middle. In the beginning, work for free, show them your worth, and then tell them this is my fees. Plain and simple. You don't trust me? No worries. Hire me for 10 days. See if it works for you. If it does, do it and then give your 100%. Prove your worth, no? This is what I have been doing, people, on a repeated basis on my social media. 2,300 posts on Instagram, 500 plus videos on YouTube, 1,500 videos on TikTok, thousands of posts on Facebook, multiple stories. I'm proving what I'm capable of, right? 130 plus live trainings inside Communication Mastery. We'll be giving you more than 1,000 video modules inside Sales Masterclass. I'm proving to you what I'm capable of. And that's why you are here. And you got to do the same thing. No disappointments, no rejections should hamper you. It's as simple as that, people. You work with those clients, man. I'm going to tell you one more thing right now. Okay? I'll be very clear, very upfront about it. I'm going to come up with one more coaching program wherein I would only be doing sessions to solve the individual queries of people, okay? I'm a problem. And I'm going to price that at 75,000 rupees per year. And I guarantee you there would be people over there because they know that I'm going to solve their problems. Limited circle. I would have a very limited circle over there, maybe maximum of 40 people in that batch, so that I can give them more deep information. I will keep it as a small batch size. You also got to do the same things, people. What's the point of having a lot of clients who are not ready to value? If a person pays 75,000 rupees, he or she would be more willing. And who will pay 75,000 rupees? A person who knows that he will be able to earn 7.5 lakh rupees, 75 lakh rupees because of my guidance. Do you get that? Simple, clear-cut logic. And I guarantee you, there would be a lot of people from you also who will become a part of it. 110%. Can I get an opportunity to answer your social media? Send me an email. Analyze my social media. How many comments do we get? How will you be helpful? And we can surely consider it. I want to be like you, sir. You will be better than me, brother, because you are getting guidance from me. I won't share my email ID with you. You got to find it out. You know, when we open up the positions in our organization, we don't share email IDs. And once you do it, you keep realizing, you will realize, man, that this works. This works. Got it? Understand? Change your ask. Just do it once. I guarantee you, just do it once. The most important thing is the pricing does not matter. The pricing does not matter. As long as you are providing more value than the price that you are charging. Then the pricing. Value got to be more. As long as the value is more, the pricing hardly matters. The pricing hardly matters.